Hey guys, in this complete 2025 guide, I'll show you how to issue a refund in QuickBooks Online. Fast, accurate, and hassle-free. First, log into your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Go to Sales, Customers, and select the customer you need to refund. Click on the invoice or payment you want to refund. Select Refund or Give Refund, depending on the transaction type. Enter the refund amount, the payment method, and the date of refund. If the payment was made by a credit card or bank transfer, QuickBooks will process it back to the original method. Add a memo or note if needed for your records. Click Save and Close to complete the refund. QuickBooks will automatically update your accounts and reports. And that's it, your refund is now issued in QuickBooks Online 2025. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick QuickBooks tutorials.